What worries you about the future?
Well, I'm worried about the certain big companies dominating information. Things are getting easier. You just Google things to Google Map this, and you buy Amazon. You just things come next day, but they're taking your information. Maybe 10 years ago there was a movie called I don't remember the name of it, but someone um, walks in the store and oh, Mr. So and So, scans the retina, and no, so last time you bought this, how about this one this time? And it's already happening, in the real life. And I buy something for hiking or something, and I bought it, and next day they say, oh, how about this? How about this? And just I mean, it's none of their business, but maybe their information is shared also, and I think that's scary. To me, it's supposed to be good for everybody, but also at the same time, your information is being stolen. Um, so I'm a little bit torn about it, about the you put your, I don't have it, but some people have those watches that takes your heartbeat and many different bio data. You're giving it to someone because it goes into the cloud, and those companies are taking your information. So when they have enough data, what will it become? I'm 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 sure you cannot stop it. It's not possible to stop it. But I hope they will not be used for wrong things. If you tweet certain words, all of a sudden you get arrested, or your account is frozen. So it's yeah, like a Big Brother type of scenario. Yeah. So yeah, one is those Western society, big, huge companies dominating data. Maybe they become more powerful than governments. But then again, certain governments, they really control. They don't want their leaders to be criticized, and then um, nowadays, I mean, some people watch me talk about this, but is this a fake news or not? I mean, even some leaders say those words, and I read some articles. I talk with my wife. I say, oh, that's a fake news, but it's very difficult to tell that's real, what's fake. Uh, Certain things gets manipulated, they made it into a story, and that becomes a fact. You see. So how to use information? What I told you today. I don't know if all this right. I mean, those are my opinion. But if the AI is programmed to do certain propaganda, they'll just do that. And you've seen such things in the Hollywood movies. So you have to live with technology, but you still have to have humanity, love, empathy.